Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Mazda CX-9. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil for your vehicle. Always work on a level surface and allow the engine to cool down completely before you begin. Safety first. Once prepared, position your drain pan beneath the oil pan. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point, and carefully remove it with your wrench. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain out. This might take several minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug, ensuring you use a new washer, and tighten it securely to prevent leaks. Next, use your oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter firmly, then add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap on top of the engine. After adding the oil, check the level using the dipstick and top up if necessary. Start your engine for a minute or two to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an approved recycling facility. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to great deals on reading devices and other helpful items. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.